दादा हेलो
अरमान यहाँ पे दादा परफेक्ट बस परफेक्ट अरमान यहाँ से लेके अरमान यहाँ एक बार अरमान यहाँ अरमान यहाँ अरमान एक मिनट भाई यहाँ पे
अरमान यहाँ जस्ट सेकंड थैंक यू
भाई चेक को बंद कर लो हाँ गाड़ी नहीं एक मिनट वो नहीं हाँ ये चाहिए अरमान भाई एक बार पीछे देखो भागेगी आगे अरमान भाई पीछे देखो अरमान भाई एक मिनट अरमान भाई
कैमरा आ रहा है किचन पास बाय थैंक यू
यार मैं मिरर से मारने वाला
भाई थोड़ा पीछे से आ जाओ ना दादा एक मिनट के लिए प्लीज
भैया अरमान भाई एक मिनट सामने अरमान भाई एकदम सामने हाँ अरमान भाई एक बार इधर
बाय बाय सर आ रहा है
हाँ भाई
जल्दी वो
नंबर ले
एक मिनट रुको ना हटो ना बंद करो खराब
थोड़ा ये साइड आओ ना हाँ जी बस थोड़ा आ गया अरमान भाई बस एक मिनट अरमान भाई यहाँ पे
Tomorrow's website's headlines. Arman wants to give Ferrari to Alia. Super. There's a question coming from that side.
Hi. Okay, so when in the 90s, indie pop was a very big thing. All
Yes.
of us, especially T series with Sonu Nigam and Chan and etc. It was a huge deal for our music. So do you think with these singles, because film music took over indie pop very soon, when you all also started creating songs like Suraj Dubai, etc. So you think this song and many other singles that T series is removing is kind of a revival for indie pop and non-film music per se, because India doesn't really have that. It's more Bollywood.
It's very important that this movement is taking place because abhi tak everyone feels that Indian music is only Bollywood.
Yeah.
But now singers are getting the opportunity to become bigger than what they already are. हम लोग we already are the voice for the actors, but now we're getting a chance to be the face to our own voice, and that's what we're trying to achieve with singles like this. And Ajana Ferrari mein is something that takes that movement of non-film music forward, and I'm really proud that I'm going to be spearheading this movement with Amal and with all the other composers and singers in our country.
I think most importantly, what you're saying, that T series has been known for this. You know, क्योंकि they have got non-film music out, done a huge effort compared to many others. You know, that support that I, as a composer, and I think all of us get from the label,
The
is
credit
very
goes to
important.
Bhushan ji.
Yeah, that is important. And the minds, you know, the films में generally we get stuck to many musical situations or some, you know, कि you can't move out of that. कि यही है. Here, the beautiful thing is that when I make a song and I play to Bhushan sir, and you can weave a story around a certain song also, you know, maybe work reverse. So that freedom and that creative freedom that which he gives me and Arman, that's what I think helps us do these things. Because as you said, Bollywood music is very huge. So I think we've got that love from Bollywood already. And if we don't use that fan base and that love that we've got to, you know, to bring the real artist out, so then that it'll be a waste. So I think Bollywood has helped us, but it's our duty to stand up for
Somewhere non-film
music.
music gives us the freedom to do what is in our heart as a musician or as a singer. So we're glad that something like this has come out.
सर मैं जितने भी अपने कॉम्पोजिशंस बनाता हूँ सबसे पहले घर में ही वो डिसाइड हो जाता है कि अच्छा गाना है कि नहीं, क्योंकि घर में ही दो क्रिटिक है, एक भाई है, एक डैड है, कभी कभी मॉम भी बोलते हैं कि अच्छा गाना है, नहीं अच्छा गाना नहीं है. सो वी ऑल एज अ फैमिली ना, वी आर लाइक द फैंटास्टिक फोर. तो हर चीज़ घर में है, और जब मैं धुन बनाता हूँ सब सुनते हैं. एंड घर से बाहर आई थिंक मिस्टर कुमार इज द ओनली मैन हु even hears my songs from other films. तो मैं अपने काफ़ी close people को अपना music सुनाता हूँ. And musically, I think my father contributes a lot. जो उनका एक edge है of knowing the true blue Bollywood music, जो मैं अभी सीख रहा हूँ. And that, I think, really helps me to make Indian music better. बेहद पसंद है, रिक्रिएट करना चाहूँगा ये पता नहीं, क्योंकि ओरिजिनली बहुत अच्छा है, थोड़ा सा प्यार हुआ है, थोड़ा है बाकी, तो वो थोड़ा डाइसी है. उसमें अगर रिक्रिएट अच्छा नहीं हुआ तो मेरा नाम खराब हो जाएगा.
More questions? पीछे. Microphone. Can you just pass this?
हेलो अरमान सर, गुड इवनिंग.
We'll take one more
Hello.
question after this if anyone wants to ask.
सर
So-
आपको सिंगिंग में किस सिंगर का मतलब ज़्यादा इंस्पिरेशन मिलता है? सो मींस यू विल हैव टू फॉलो.
बचपन से सोनू निगम जी बहुत बड़े इंस्पिरेशन रहे हैं मेरे लिए, एंड उनके गाने सुनते सुनते बड़ा हुआ हूँ, एंड उनका सबसे बड़ा फैन भी हूँ. सो या ही इज बीन अ ह्यूज इंस्पिरेशन फॉर मी.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
One last question. Anyone? Who's coming from there? Yes. Please do tell us your name. Microphone pass कर दीजिए. पीछे पीछे. That's it.
What about your Armanians?
क्या बोलना है उसके लिए?
Means, what do they mean to you?
They're my life.
Yes.
I've always dedicated everything जो मैं करता हूँ to my fans, and इतने कम time में to have got so many people who love me and who love my music, I feel I'm blessed, and both of us are blessed to be able to garner so much love. And ये सब, whatever songs I do or whatever music I do, it's all for them. ये सब उनके लिए. So Ajana Ferrari is a gift to all my Armanians, all my
Fine,
fans.
thank you.
Thank you so much.
We're going to end this with one last question from my side. You both, same house, super talented. Is it easy to work with each other, or does it get very... Okay, the smile tells me why, but you should answer it now.
For me, it becomes very tough to please Amal as a composer, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही hard taskmaster है. And
What did you tell me outside?
yeah, he comes.
कितना गाना नहीं आता.
Sometimes he tells me नहीं नहीं.
कभी
you're
कभी
not-
लड़ भी पड़ते, मैंने छुड़ाया भी ना.
तो काफी चीजें ऐसे होती है. Since we are brothers, we fight creatively also and otherwise also. लेकिन it's all for the betterment of the song. एक गाना मुझे याद है, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा फाइट हुई थी कि he told me ये लाइन बहुत बकवास गाया तूने, ये you shouldn't have sung like this, sing it again. तो 10 बार गाया फिर भी राइट नहीं आया, फिर मैं नीचे गया, फिर मुझे
नीचे गया और क्या किया? He complained to dad. He said he's taking my class और इसने मैंने 12-15 बार एक ही लाइन गवा रहा है, पागल हो गया है, ये हो गया है. He's like क्या होता है एक लाइन, ये वन और इसलिए मैं जा रहा हूँ घर. And he had to take a flight and go. But
लेकिन मेरे दिल में चुभ रही थी बात that I didn't satisfy the composer and I came back up and वो line actually सबसे ज़्यादा memorable line है from the song, which is कुछ कहूँ या ना कहूँ तुम मुझको सदा सुनते रहना. The leaving of the कुछ, he wanted that
I
perfect.
think ये line is a message from me to you also कि कुछ कहूँ है ना रहूँ तुम मुझको सदा सुनते रहना.
ठीक है भाई.
Super. Oh, पीछे हैं. Should we just pass the mic to
Mom, I hope your voice is good today.
here? होनहार.
मुझे घर वापस जाना है.
Kumar has already coined a hook. होनहार.
होनर मुझे हुक मिल गया. अब मैं इसका गाना बनाऊंगा. अभी जवाब दे.
पर पीछे टी सीरीज है तो आपका भी नहीं है अब. भूषण जी का हो गया.
अरमान तो अभी स्टार्ट कर रहा है. बहुत आगे पहुंचना है. To for me to even think कि कौन कैसा कहाँ है. बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है and I wish all the blessings of people are still with them and always with them, and most importantly the godfather that they have, Bhushan ji, Salman bhai, all these people's support has really brought them till here and will definitely take them ahead, I feel.
Super. Thank you so much, all of you, for turning up, and congratulations, all three of you. You have
you
a
so
brand new
much.
single out, Ajana Ferrari mein. I think what, 8 hours for 100 million or less?
I don't know. I'm just waiting for the song to be loved by all. That's all.
Super. Thank you so much, members of the media, for turning up. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Subscribe now to receive new updates, reviews, and news.